In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add estimated times for tasks in Asana. If you're looking to enhance your project management efficiency, knowing how to allocate and estimate time for each task can be a game changer. So, let's dive into the steps to add estimated times to your tasks, making your workflow smoother and more predictable. First, begin by navigating to your Asana project. Once there, take a look at your task list table. You'll notice a series of columns that help organize and manage your tasks. Head over to the last column header, and you should see a handy plus icon positioned right next to it. This icon is your gateway to adding new fields and customizing your project to better suit your needs. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. As soon as you do, a menu will pop up, inviting you to search for new fields to add. In the search bar that appears, type in estimated time. Make sure to type it accurately, as this step is crucial for finding the right field. You'll see an option that matches your search. Go ahead and click on it, and just like that, you've now added an estimated time field to your project. This new field is tailor-made for you to input the estimated duration of each task. Whether you are managing a simple to-do list or a complex multi-phase project, having this field can significantly aid in planning and allocation of resources. You can input values in this field that reflect how long you anticipate each task will take, allowing for a much clearer overview of your project's timeline. This simple addition allows you to manage your tasks with precision, ensuring that every team member understands the time commitment involved. Estimated times can improve communication and set realistic expectations, which is invaluable for both team cohesion and meeting project deadlines. By utilizing this feature, you're empowering your project management approach, ensuring that tasks are not only completed efficiently, but also within a coordinated framework that aligns with your objectives. This increased visibility into task durations can enhance your ability to prioritize, adapt, and allocate resources effectively. And there you have it. With the addition of this custom time field, you're ready to breeze through your project management endeavors with greater clarity and effectiveness. Enhancing task estimates not only helps you maintain control over your workflow, but also improves collaboration within your team. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide has been beneficial and you feel more equipped to manage your tasks in Asana with insightful precision. Be sure to explore more features within Asana to further enhance your project management skills. Until next time, happy planning and stay organized.